Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic in relationships which we often seem to neglect. Toxic relationships. These are the relationships which make our lives worse, and because of some reason or the other, we can't even let go of these. Relationships wherein you feel mentally, emotionally, physically or spiritually drained out are toxic relationships. And it's not like you can have such a relationship with only a partner, you can have such a relationship with your family or friends as well. We see relationships out there and we see so many examples of relationships wherein there is no concept of personal space or personal boundaries. And it is so very important to have personal boundaries in a relationship. And even more important is to identify what a toxic relationship is. So what are those indicators to identify a toxic relationship? Or as the modern lingo goes, the red flags. The other person doesn't let you express your thoughts and your emotions, and even if you try, they just shut you off. They don't even try to understand what it is that you're trying to express. They keep crossing the boundaries that you have set for yourself. Could be emotional, physical or any other boundaries that you have. Every time it is them that you two talk about. It is always about their life, their happiness, their sadness, their successes, their failures, their accomplishments. This could be a toxic relationship. If you are always taken advantage of, it's a sign. Another big sign. If the other person gets jealous of you when you achieve something, big or small, it's definitely a red flag. If the other person isn't supporting your career decisions, assuming you are taking wise decisions for yourself, it's a red flag. If you feel unworthy or disrespectful when you are with them, could be another flag. If the other person is not able to take ownership of what they did wrong, they are not able to accept it, let alone apologize for it, then that's a sign right there. And now since we have talked about the flags, the next question is, do we continue with the relationship? The answer is of course neither a black nor a white. See, if two people genuinely want to make a relationship work, then they can make it work. If they want to build it together with proper communication and with genuine intentions, then they can make it work with the help of a therapist, maybe, or maybe not. It's your choice, but always remember that communication is one of the biggest foundations of any relationship. And if you feel like you've tried everything and nothing is improving, then maybe it is time to just let it go. But always remember that the onus is on you, so it has to be a well thought out decision. It's a big decision to make, I agree. Because there are so many questions involved, like, do I even want this to end? So how can we actually answer these questions for ourselves? Let's start with meditation. Personally, I feel meditation is that part of your day when you're just with your thoughts, nothing else but your thoughts. And that is when you can actually realize what is it that you really, really want. And then comes relationship counseling. Of course, if both of them are interested. And then there is active communication. It can get a little awkward in the beginning, but then of course it's necessary. And then there are boundaries. You have to set boundaries for yourselves and make them very, very clear to the other person. And then there is expression. Express your emotions very well. And talk to your friends. Talk to your closest friends. Friends who will give you a genuine advice about the situation. And when you have all the answers to your question, that is when you can make a decision for yourself. हिम्मत लगेगी, मुश्किल भी है, मेहनत लगेगी, लेकिन ज़रूरी है. तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के लिए इतना ही. I really hope that you like this video, and if you did, then please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. और जाते जाते please click on the bell icon so you never miss an update from the channel. Take care. Goodbye.